Hi guys, James at Leighton Vans. We have a stunning ultimate build Transporter T6.1 that has just been added onto the website. It has everything. It has a full shebang. It's a long wheelbase version. It has twin electric sliding doors. It's a Highline model. It has the big brake kit on there as well. Electric tailgate. It's got the Discover Media. It's got park assist. It's got 2+1 rear seats. It's got the sport seats in there as well, which is a new design we're doing. Check out the new leather design on this, guys. It looks awesome. We lower the vehicle 40 mil, so it's got the lowering springs on there. It's got the 2+1 rear seats. It has got everything. The usual carpet lining, which the LVR pack consists of, as well as the sidebars, roof bars, 20-inch alloy wheels. Like I say, all the sport seats in there. It's got the virtual dashboard. It has got everything. LVR front styling, LED headlights, and obviously that usual Highline spec, which consists of your air conditioning, your front and rear parking sensors. It's also got the rear camera on there as well. It has got everything, heated windscreen, especially you're going to need this at that time of year, or this time of year, and it's also got heated seats as well. So absolutely great. Get in contact, guys. It's not going to be around long, and this is one of our ultimate builds and one of the final few really high spec vehicles we have in stock. See you soon.